How to hard reset iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus. Step 1. Open the power menu by pushing the power key for around 3 seconds.
Step 2. Select the power off method. The device will be disabled soon.
Step 3. At the same time, press and keep the power button plus the volume up key combination.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.